Pretty big day for Ford. The highly anticipated 2021 Ford Bronco rolling off the line at the Ford Michigan Assembly Plant. And the new models are on their way now to dealerships nationwide. Ford says more than 125,000 orders have been placed for the SUV, and a total of more than 190,000 reservations have been placed in the U.S. and Canada. The Bronco will come in both 2- and 4-door models. Officials say the new Bronco will put more fun into Ford's fleet.
It's an image product within Ford's lineup. It is where sort of all of the fun, exciting things that you can do with the utility vehicle live, and it shows what they can do in that space.
Now, that fun's going to put you back at least under $30,000.